To start, you need to turn the dial on this meter to the proper setting. So go here in the corner where it says A with the straight lines, one of them dashed, and the 10. And you'll notice that the proper opening will appear when I get there. This is the proper opening, 10 amps. Then you'll plug in your cords. Black goes to black, red goes to red, like so. These are called alligator clips. Their jaws open when you pinch. If it's hidden, it's still jaws open when you pinch. You'll have a beaker in which you put your water sample. About 100 milliliters is right for this experiment. And this is a lid you'll be provided with, a cardboard lid, and it goes on top. You'll then have 2 electrodes. They're made of carbon fiber, so they're really hard to break, but they conduct electricity. And you can see that you can push it through the lid like so and have your 2 electrodes on different sides of the beaker. It's important that the electrodes don't touch. You'll also get a battery. It's a 6-volt battery. Has a plus and a minus on the top. So you'll hook up the black wire to the minus and the red wire to one of these electrodes. If your lid becomes unstable like mine did, you can use some tape. Tape it to hold it in place. You'll need one more wire, doesn't matter what color it is. Turn on your ammeter. It should read 0 until you make a connection here, and then it might read something more than 0. So the last connection I'm making is between the battery, the plus of the battery, and the second electrode. And in this case, it still reads 0. But in some of your experiments it will read above 0, and that will be how you measure how much current is flowing through your circuit. Current is measured in amps. That's what's on the dial. When you do your samples, test the ocean water first, tap water second, distilled water third. If you've done things correctly, you'll find the distilled water is very low conductivity, doesn't pass much current. So then a really good thing to investigate is to say, well, could you throw something into the distilled water that would increase its conductivity? I have lots of things to choose from, so if you can make a suggestion for what you might want to add to the distilled water, please ask your instructor. If you have no ideas, your instructor can bring you things that they want you to test. But it's better if you have your own idea.